In this video, I will show you how to rotate an image in Google Sites. Visit the official Google Sites website. Log in with your Google account. Once you are in, either create a new site or open an existing one. On the right hand panel, click on Insert, then Images. Choose to upload an image from your Google Drive or your device. Place the image where you want it on your site. Click on the image. You'll see options like crop, replace, link, etc. Unfortunately, there is no built-in option to rotate an image directly inside Google Sites. Since Google Sites doesn't allow image rotation, here's what you should do. On PC or Mac, open the image using Photos or Image Viewer or Editor. Use the rotate option, usually a circular arrow icon. Close the image. It will be automatically save the image. On Google Drive, right click on the image, then open with Google Photos. In Google Photos, click Edit, then use the Rotate tool. Save the updated image. Now, go back to your site. Delete the original unrotated image if you already inserted it. Upload the newly rotated version. Now, your image will appear in the correct orientation. And that's it. Now you know how to rotate an image in Google Sites. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.